Yeah, I was about to ask you, this looks very fancy. What is this?
So this is the racing kit. This is the full racing foot peg kit.
What's up YouTube? If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you never miss an update of all my videos.
What's up YouTube? This is Vijayansara back with another video, and today we are at Rohit's place, and he has actually blown a bomb, and it seems his mom is very angry for sure, and the wife as well, because he has done a tiny bit of shopping, just a small shopping, just this much. So let me just give you a very quick glance of what small shopping he did for his R15E3. That's it. Guys, this is all he bought before even he got the motorcycle. So we just got the motorcycle in the early morning today, and we have all these parts lying around and we're gonna probably give it to, we'll take the bike to the garage and get this all fixed. Let me show you and ask Rohit to explain us what is what. So Rohit, why so much?
Okay, so what happened was I sold my Dominar recently. So
Yeah.
I was looking for an alternative option, something that is a bit more low on maintenance. But unfortunately, I think I blew my maintenance budget for the next year and a half.
Yes.
Because I went a little off with my shopping.
Just this much, right?
Yeah,
Just this much.
That is what I've told my wife. So hopefully she'll listen to me.
Oh, let her see this first.
Yeah. So just if you want to know what I've got, I'll probably give you an idea of what it is. So
Yeah.
I have the tank pad. This is the tank pad for the Yamaha. I have the rim stickers. I just bought a pair of gloves as well.
Okay, we're gonna take one by one. I'm gonna put the fingers and you let me know what it is. So we got this one. This is a
This is
tank pad. Okay. I guess you, since we have the midnight black and you wanted black and red edition.
Yeah. So I'm actually doing a decal as well.
Okay.
I will give you full rights to that video.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you.
So this is the rim stickers.
Wow.
Then I bought a pair of gloves for city.
Oh, you already have set of gloves. Why did you need these? Just for the city fun?
Yeah,
Matlab,
kind of.
Just because you had some money, you just wanted to like full blast.
You could probably say that. So I went for a new set of grippers as well.
Oh, these are the spider grippers?
Yeah, these
Awesome.
are spider grippers. They're from JB Racing.
Okay.
I got a set of spools.
Oh, wow.
These are for the paddock. I got a number plate relocator.
Okay, for the R15E3.
Yeah, R15V3.
Okay.
I got a complete racing
Yeah, I
kit.
was about to ask you, this looks very fancy. What is this?
So this is the racing kit. This is the full racing foot peg kit.
Damn, looks so beautiful.
Yes, it's completely machined. You can see the quality. It's got the embossing and all
I
the
don't know
textures.
how much I... Oh, look at this. If the camera can capture, it's like beautiful.
Yeah.
So this is the whole set, huh?
Yeah, this is the whole foot peg kit.
I don't even know how we're gonna fit this in. What does this do?
So this is actually a replacement for the factory kit. So whatever you get in your R15, all of this replaces pretty much the whole.
Oh,
foot peg
the
unit.
whole foot peg set. So you got the brake lever, the gear shifter, and yeah, these are the foot pegs. And damn, that's
This is
that's
a complete
awesome.
racing kit.
Oh, okay, yeah, I can see those. I can see the lever assembly. Wow, damn, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
This is beautiful. What do we
And
have?
I've got two mobile holders. One of this I will put on my Benelli. So this is the wireless charging mobile holder. This is very new.
What?
Yeah. So
Wireless.
you have an iPhone, and I actually got this for my wife because she's got an iPhone. So if you
Wow.
can see here, it says wireless charger. So you don't need to connect it anywhere. It just directly sits on it.
Oh, okay, so you
just
don't have,
put the
okay.
phone on it and it charges.
Wow, this is new, guys. I've actually not seen
And it's
this.
a fast charger.
5 volt, 1.5 amp.
Yeah.
Okay, but yeah, wireless charging. This is good,
Comes
man.
with a switch as well. Good wiring.
Oh,
So
I've actually not seen one of these.
yeah, this is very
I've
new.
seen
It's
normal
very new.
ones, but this is a brand new one with wireless. Lovely.
So then I have what else? What else? So I've got my tracking.
I
system.
know what this is. Sorry, I know what this is. This is that Map My India wala.
Yes. That's the one.
Oh, okay. So this does all that tracking, live tracking. I know this. I actually was looking for one of these. Yeah, I'm gonna get, probably let you know. I want one.
So again, this is the flush mounts for the front. It goes on the fairing.
Okay, so basically these are the ones. So instead of having the indicators outside, we're gonna have these one which would actually attach or like this.
Just sit on the fairing.
Just sit on the fairing, so they are not like 3 inches out. Lovely. What are these?
This is another model of the same thing. I actually was in a
Seriously?
confusion. Yeah, I was in a confusion whether I would go for the ABS or buy a second-hand bike. I got into a lot of trouble with my wife, and I decided to pick a new one.
Trust me, you're gonna still fall in trouble because if I buy these two, the same thing, my wife is definitely going to throw me out of the house. Good luck to you. My house is not open for you in case
Yeah,
if your
I
wife
just
throws
got
you.
married, so I'm still trying to figure that out. Okay, so this is my rear indicators. That goes on the tail tidy. So I've got this.
Oh
tail
damn!
tidy.
Don't tell me.
Yeah. I went all out, I guess. So
No, you actually went above and beyond of what is called as all out. You crazy bugger.
okay, so this is the tail tidy. It comes with a light.
Machined one.
Yeah.
Wow.
It comes with a light.
It comes okay, yeah, for the number plate visibility.
Yeah. Again, I have.
Shall I call you crazy? तू मार खाने वाला है.
You can give it a try. So I got this number plate holder.
Oh,
This is from JB Racing.
show me. JB Racing. Okay.
I'll probably give you a.
Where's this? I mean, is this the place where you bought all this thing?
Yes, I got all of this from JB Automotive and Beyond in JC Road.
Okay.
They're
Okay.
they're at the third cross, JC Road. This is their number plate frame.
Okay. Can you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, these are the ones which I was actually looking. After the accident, I'm missing the front one, so I would need these.
Yeah.
Lovely.
This is the one which got their logo as well here.
Sure. Let me
It's
see
pretty good
here.
quality. And I actually did a bit of R&D before I got it.
Oh, JB
Yeah.
Automotives. Okay.
JB Automotive and Beyond in JC Road.
Lovely.
Yeah. And it's quite sturdy. You do everything.
I want one set of this, bro. Whenever you go next time, I want one set of this.
Sure. Not a problem.
Man, you got still more to go. Damn.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I got a Yamaha keychain, obviously.
Oh yeah.
This is pretty obvious.
You had to.
Tank pads, anti-slip tank pads. This is the ABS lever cover.
Oh yeah,
I
the
think it's called a
lever guard.
Lever guard.
Yeah, that's the one which comes on the
And
side.
I got two winglets. Not very sure of which one I would be using. Probably I'll be using this in the city and this when I'm touring.
Okay.
So obviously I had to get a VR46 sticker.
Oh my God. Yeah.
And I'm more of a Marcus fan. I'm really sorry I'm saying this, but
But it's still okay. It's still okay.
now I'm buying a Yamaha, so I have to.
Buy a 46. You have to respect.
This is another mistake I made. So this is for the ABS, non-ABS, sorry.
Wow.
So I was a little confused. So I picked this up.
So this is different than this one.
Yes, these two are different. So this is for ABS. This is for the non-ABS.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And
You are definitely crazy.
this is the this is on
The reservoir
brake fluid.
cap. Yeah.
Brake fluid cap. I got a goggle as well. I'm not very sure how I'm going to use it.
Seriously.
I'm sure we'll probably. I'll probably use this on the Benelli.
You bought this and you have no idea how you're gonna wear this.
I kind of liked it. I mean, it's
Can you wear and show it to me? Can you wear and show it to me?
I just gonna look very ugly. I have to wear my specs as well.
That's okay. Remove it. Remove the specs. I want to
I'm
see
going to
it.
use this from a Benelli. I have that sorted. I'm sorry, I have that sorted.
God damn it.
So I got this. This is the mirrors with indicators.
Guys, look at the excitement on his face. The way he's showing all this, like a lady showing all the
Carbon finish. Mirror with indicator and the wiring that goes with it.
Man, you did.
This is something that I'm pretty sure you would like.
Wait. Let me keep this down.
Guess what it is?
Frame sliders.
Yeah. Check out the color.
Gold color. Holy crap.
So this again, it was available in multiple colors. I'm doing decal wrap on the bike. So
Okay.
I thought this would be something that would go well with it. So
Damn, we got. Look at all this, guys. I mean, this is. He has to be crazy. Trust me.
and this
Yes,
is
to be
the
crazy.
fairing flashlight.
Okay.
It goes right below the fairing.
Okay.
So it has multiple modes. It has a strobe. It has short throw
Huh.
kind of a thing. So,
Just like the Chennai bus.
not yet. Not yet. Probably time soon. And this is something that you will like.
Wow.
This is a chrome visor.
Oh my. I can see myself in it. Guys, look at it.
You can see me.
Oh my god.
And
This is mean. This is mean, man.
So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up the R15
Okay.
and I'm going to convert it to a complete track ready bike.
Yeah, I was about to ask you what is that?
So this is the R15 to R3 conversion kind of a thing.
Okay.
So this is your cover.
Okay.
It sits on the
Existing.
frame.
Okay.
Your mirror comes here. The visor sits here. Probably when we do the fitting, it would look better. So this kind of makes the bike look even bigger than what it is.
Is it? Can you hold this?
Okay. Okie dokie.
Wow.
Yeah.
Can you put it on your face?
No, I can't.
This
So
is dope.
this is probably how it would look. And you know, the best part about this, it's quite flexible. It doesn't break.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Show me. Can you do that again?
Sure.
Where did you get all this, man? Where did you get
All
all
of this from JB Automotive and beyond. So I was just passing by and I happened to see a few things that I like. I just went berserk. I was like, "Do you have this? Do you have this?" And he's like, "Yes."
It was like
yes,
a
yes."
baby in a candy shop, huh?
Yeah, and the so there are a few more things coming up after this as well. So I will be getting bore kit to increase the power of the bike. I will also be getting ECU unit
Okay.
and a quick shifter.
So it's like you're gonna fly. You're planning to fly to the moon with that bike. That's what you plan.
Pretty much. You got a quick shifter and an ECU on your bike.
I wanted to fly as well.
Yeah, so I'm going to try something of that sort, but I'm going to do it on a smaller scale, on a 150cc to see actually if this kind of works. And if my 150cc can beat your 400cc, then there's nothing other than that.
You can't beat it. You can't beat it. You can't beat it.
We'll work on that.
Let's
So,
see.
That is there, and apart from that, there are quite a few other things that are coming as well. So I'm going to leave that as a secret. But I will definitely let you know once I get all those things.
So you mean to say after all this buying,
I
you
can tell
have more?
This is about 40% of what I had planned. I had planned about 78 accessories, if I'm not wrong,
78.
for the bike.
How did you get even that number? Were you just Googling and YouTubing all that R15
So
accessories?
I checked out everything that people in Malaysia are doing. I checked everything in Thailand. I checked Singapore. Then I checked in some of the local outlets here. So there is one brand called Bandidos.
Okay.
I think they're based out of Kerala. So they had a lot of accessories. Then I saw a couple of videos on YouTube where some people in Chennai are doing a lot of things. And then I figured out that wrapping and decals for the R15 is something that is, kind of picking up.
Okay, so I'm sure you're gonna do the wrap as well.
I've already ordered that actually.
But I dare you, you choose one of what I like. Yes,
Okay.
that's a yes.
Okay.
That's a yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank
Sure.
you. Being a
Something for you,
friend.
definitely for you.
Oh my God, I just have to step back because of the amount of accessory. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And oh, sorry, did I miss it?
Yeah.
Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20. I lost the number. 23, 24, 20, 25, 27, 28 items right now, and decal is coming in.
So there's a decal coming in, there is an ECU kit coming in, there is a bore kit coming in, there is the exhaust coming in, there is a bend pipe for the exhaust coming in, there is an air filter coming in.
I just have one important question.
Yeah, don't tell my wife.
Have you lost your mind?
Okay, see, lockdown does a lot of weird things to weird people, okay? I
Okay.
gave up my Dominar, which kind of put me in a weird state of mind. I was like, I really like the bike. I mean,
Yeah, you missed her so much that you bought something else.
I did almost 50,000 in 2.5 years. So
Lovely.
that bike toured pretty much any and every mountain that was available, every street on the road. The whole of South India was covered on that bike. Then I got the Benelli, but a small bike is still a small bike. It gives you a little more comfort. And this is the first time I'm actually stepping into a fairing bike.
Yeah, I know that.
So
Yeah.
I did everything from the Pulsar series to the Avengers to the Dominar, and then I had the Royal Enfield and then the Benelli. and then the Dominar, came back to the Dominar, and now I'm going to a ferry. So this is something really new, but I'm pretty sure, I hope that if I like it, I probably might upgrade to a 650cc on the ferry.
Oh, lovely. So you're doing all this, and imagine, because R15 accessories are it would be probably bit cheaper than the 650s. So you are going full blast on this.
Yes, I wouldn't say it is that cheap.
Yeah, it's definitely.
That
I mean,
will
look at that
definitely
piece.
set you back.
Oh, it's gonna sit.
Because when I actually saw it, I wasn't very sure of what it does. But then I did a bit of research, and in the city, I don't think it is going to be of much use. But
Yeah, but
it is
you just went crazy.
yeah, it is something that definitely will help
Yeah,
you
I think
look at.
it's gonna give you that aggressive look. But yeah, I think when we install everything tomorrow or whenever we get, it's gonna make a lot of sense. Everything will fall into a puzzle, and the mechanic has a lot of work to do. I'm pretty sure. This
Yes,
is.
the mechanic is the one who's speaking, so
Oh God,
I
God damn it!
speak
I'm
no
not doing all
problem
this.
with that.
I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna sit there, have some tea, and watch you do this. And if you break, I'm just gonna laugh and have fun. But yeah, this is crazy, man. This is. Look at all these guys. This crazy guy.
It just happens.
So Corona happens, and this is what people do in lockdown.
I did not know what to do. I mean, you cannot keep working for 12, 13 hours and then just eat, sleep, get up, and you look at your bike and you're like, take a start kar dete hain, and then run it for 5 minutes, and then you're like, oh, now I have to go back petrol also.
Does your mom know this? That you have everything here?
No, not yet. So this is my
This is
personal
your
room.
yeah.
So I just come here to watch movies and stuff. She still has no idea. My wife literally has no idea. She's at her mom's place.
Wait for the video to go out.
Yeah, probably when she comes back, I'm going. Hopefully, the lockdown ends before this video comes out.
No.
And in case that happens, I'm gonna run off somewhere for maybe a couple of days.
Yeah,
So
before.
that so that she settles down, and then maybe we come back and sort this out.
Okay, we can just tell her that this is all cheap. Like hardly costed like what? $2,000?
Sure. Like she's gonna believe me. You should have seen her face when I got the Benelli.
Oh my God, this is crazy, man. Lovely, but I bet you best of luck, my brother.
Thank you.
Let's get into Yamaha, and thanks a lot to show me all this. And he's just gone crazy, guys. But yeah, let's see the Yamaha once everything is loaded. We're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna make a lot of reviews out of these things or every product, and let's hook up. So thank you very much for watching my video, and thanks for Rohit to spend so much so that we can get idea of what works and what doesn't. So yeah,
Don't try this at home.
yeah,
If
don't
you're
try
in
this at
lockdown,
home.
just stay home, stay safe.
He's going.